Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take out Chevy Malibu seats. First, always prioritize safety. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues while working. Next, gather your tools. You'll primarily need a socket wrench set and a flathead screwdriver. Finally, ensure your Malibu is parked on a level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged for stability. Now, let's tackle the front seats. Start by sliding the seat all the way forward to access the rear bolts, then slide it back to reach the front ones. Use your socket wrench to remove the 4 bolts holding each seat to the floor. Once the bolts are out, carefully tilt the seat back and disconnect any electrical connectors underneath. With everything unhooked, you can now lift the seat out of the car. Moving to the rear seats, the process is generally simpler. For the bottom cushion, firmly push down on the front edge near the floor, then lift upwards to release the retaining clips. Once released, you can pull the cushion out. For the backrest, look for bolts or clips at the bottom or sides. Remove these, then lift the backrest straight up and out of its mounting points. Reinstalling your seats is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully place each seat back into position, ensuring all mounting points align. Secure all bolts tightly, and remember to reconnect every electrical connector before reattaching your battery's negative cable. Double-check everything for safety. Also, if you're looking for a great way to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.